Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array-related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So duplicate zeros. Given the fixed length integer array, duplicate each occurrence of 0, shifting the remaining elements to the right. Note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not written. Do the above modification to the input array in place and do not return anything. So in this example, if we have a input this, the output should be this. After calling your function, the input array is modified to this one. So basically, whenever we found the occurrence of 0, we need to duplicate that occurrence and move the remaining elements to the right. To duplicate each occurrence of 0 and shift the elements to the right in the fixed length integer array, we need to involve iterating through the array, and when encountering the 0, duplicate it and shifting the rest of the elements to the right. So let's see how we are going to achieve this in C# language. Okay, so we have a method already called duplicate zeros. Let's do this a little bit here. So first we get the length of the array in a variable. Then we iterate in each element using a loop. Then we are going to shift the element to the right, starting from the end. Sorry, it should be shift. And then we duplicate the 0, and then we move the index to skip the duplicated 0. So length of the variable, in the variable we can take the variable called, let's say, n is equal to arr dot length. Now we use the for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, and then I plus plus. And this should be all happening inside the for loop for each element. Now basically shift the element from the end, but there is a case required. So if our array of I is equal to 0, we are going to shift the element to the right, starting from the end. So for shifting all the elements to the right, we need another for loop. Let's say this variable is called j, and it should be from the length minus 1. And then j is greater than I, whatever the element length we found, and j minus minus. This way will shifting from the last element to the one before the element before. Now for duplicating the 0, the index element we find plus 1 is equal to 0, and then we move the index I++, so we don't count this 0. We don't need to consider this 0. So this is the entire solution. Let's see if we run the code, what will happen. It's judging, it's pending. Okay, we run our code, its status is finished. We can see our answer is not matching with the expected answer. It seems like our answer have one more 0, and it should not be right. So let's check the code where is wrong. We have the length of the array. We got the loop I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. I is equal to 0, shift j. Okay, we have, it should be j is greater than I and j minus minus. Rest seems okay. Okay, let's run the code again and see. It's pending, judging, and it's finished. And our answer is now matching perfectly with the expected answer. Please try to solve this problem in another language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment. I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.